Imagine a world where your door unlocks in 3 ways. This is possible with our magnetic door lock system. It features smart access methods, card, PIN, and biometric. A door unlocked simply by your face? Yes, it's real. Professional installation from Aliftetah Information Technology ensures seamless setup. How does it work? First, choose your access method. Either swipe a card, enter a PIN, or scan your fingerprint. If you prefer, just look at the camera. It's fast and secure. Picture a busy office. Employees enter within seconds. No more fumbling for keys. Use an employee card, a PIN code, or the biometric system. In summary, our magnetic door locks enhance security and convenience. Experience cutting-edge technology today.